Mr. Glue here. This is the second half of repairing this shelf, refrigerator shelf. We glued this. There's gaps left. It wasn't a perfect fit. So I'm going to use baking soda with Mr. Glue. So take baking soda, work it into the gap. You may have to build it up a little bit. The gap's large like that. Work it in. Make sure if you can get it flush, that's ideal. It's a big gap, bigger gap, so it's a little bit trickier. Probably have to put a little bit of glue on, build it up. Just glue will soak in. Now I'm using baking soda. You can use all kinds of things as a filler. If I'm doing using a filler for wood, I'll use some wood shavings or sawdust is ideal. Now I've got a little bit here on the side, but these things are like 50 bucks to replace or more, but this will hold it. When you're using the glue by itself, the ideal is as close as possible. You want the joints. If you can't get that, it will do the job. Let it set. You can scrape off any excess on your fingers. Soap and water and time is the best way. You can use the uncure as well to get that off, but you can see how hard that gets pretty quick. That's pretty much there is, and then you just kind of clean it up afterwards, but that'll hold pretty much any gaps.